Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super useful. How to get an HDFC RuPay virtual credit card in 2025. If you're tired of carrying physical cards or want a secure option for online shopping, this is perfect for you. It's all about convenience and safety, especially with the latest updates for 2025. First things first, make sure you have an HDFC bank account. If you don't, you'll need to open one online or at a branch. It's quick and easy. Once you're set, log into your HDFC net banking portal using your username and password. Security is key here, so double-check your details. Now, navigate to the Cards section. Look for the option that says Virtual Cards or RuPay Virtual Credit Card. HDFC has made this straightforward in their 2025 interface, so it should be right there. Click on it and select Apply for RuPay Virtual Credit Card. You'll be asked to provide some basic information, like your linked account details and any preferences for limits or features. Next, verify your identity. This might involve a quick OTP sent to your registered mobile number or email. Once that's done, review your application and submit it. Approval is usually instant if you're an existing customer in good standing. After approval, you'll get your virtual card details right away. Think card number, CVV, and expiry date. One cool thing about the HDFC RuPay virtual credit card is its integration with UPI and enhanced security features, like tokenization for online payments. It's ideal for e-commerce, subscriptions, and more. Remember, you can generate multiple virtual cards if needed, but always keep an eye on your spending limits. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. Check the HDFC app for any exclusive offers or updates specific to 2025. That's it for today's guide. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.